Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a new mod for the G, but before we start, I do want to thank y'all for 300 subscribers because I just started the channel and we're already at 300 subscribers. So thank you guys for that. We've only had the channel for about a month. Only like 4 videos up, so that's actually kind of crazy. So today we got a new mod for the G. I've actually had this mod for a while, but I've been putting it off. I think I've had this mod for about like, what, 3 months, but I've been putting it off because I wanted to start a YouTube channel and get some content out of it. I finally got a YouTube channel, so it's time to put it on. It's kind of wedged in the back seat. I'm gonna show y'all what it is, but let me get it out for y'all real quick. All right, so here we have it. We got the new mods for the G. It is the LRB Speed Door Cards, and we're gonna be replacing it with these ugly stock door panels that I tried to spray paint when I first got the G, and I did a horrible job. So yeah, we're gonna be replacing those real quick. I don't know if my hands are just really dirty, but I just took these out the box and I got like finger sponges all on them. I literally just took them out the box. My hands don't even look dirty, so I don't know. It looks like these are gonna get dirty real fast, but you know. All right, so I popped the door panel off. I don't think you need to take this part off, but let me show y'all. All right, so this is how the door looks bare. We took off the ugly panel and we got the switches right here. I'm gonna probably put that off to the side. So now I gotta take off I think that's the door handle right there. I'm gonna unscrew those. And we just put up the new door panel and take off the weather stripping. Shout out to Be This Thing for teaching Aaron Newman, and shout out to Aaron Newman for teaching me how to do this whole process. So we gotta take up the weather stripping right here. All you gotta do is just bend the clips. They'll be in here like this, and they'll be bent, and you gotta unbend them to make them straight, and you'll be able to pull it out. And you just gotta pop these off. All right, so we got the weather stripping off. I think that's all we need from this old door panel. So goodbye to that. That's out of here. All right, so next up, what we gotta do is take off this faceplate off of the window switches, and probably just gonna use like a knife or like a flathead to take off the clips. See right there, got like 2 of them off, but yeah, we gotta take all of those off. All right, so we got the weather stripping on there. That was probably like the hardest part about this whole install because like it's really cold out, so like when you're like hitting your fingers on stuff, like it really hurts really bad. So we got that on. Now I'm pretty sure the next step is just gonna be getting this part on. And we just gotta like squeeze it in there. It's like an exact fit, so it's really hard to get on, but I'm trying to attempt to put that on. So we got the switches installed right here. It was really hard to do, but I got them in. And now all we gotta do is put this plate on. We put that on, and we gotta put the bolts on, and then put the nuts on the back. Also, I got this part in. I did kind of a shitty job, but you know, we'll learn from our mistakes. I had to go to AutoZone to get some Allen wrenches because it was kind of hard to put on. I don't know, once you do it, like you'll know what I'm talking about. So next we have to remove the speaker and put the door card on.
One operation later.
All right, so I got that door panel done. It's not really perfect. Like the strap for the handle doesn't fit, so I'm gonna have to get a longer bolt for that. But we got this door panel, and I took the handle off. And all I have to do is disconnect the speaker and take off the light, and we should be good. All right, y'all, so it's a few days later. I got the door cards on. This is how they're looking so far. This is probably one of the hardest installs. Look at the doors closing. Wow. This is probably one of the hardest installs I've ever done. I don't know. It wasn't that easy, but yeah, we got it on. I got the speaker on right here. I probably need to go to the store and get some self-tapping screws to get this like mounted on because it's like kind of flimsy as you can see, but probably gonna get some self-tapping screws so we can get that mounted. And let me show y'all the other side because I actually had an issue with the other side. This door card was probably the hardest one that I had to put on because the pigtail in this speaker literally would not come out, so I had to cut out the wires. But I eventually got it out, so I'm probably gonna have to go to a junkyard to cut off another pigtail and get it wired up, crimped up, and get some self-tapping screws for this side as well. All right, so I just came back from the junkyard. We got a new speaker from Infiniti FX35, I think, which is like a SUV, and I cut off the wire from that SUV, and I took it to a local auto electrician shop. So We got that wired up. He crimped up the wires. The speaker works perfectly now, and it's not bolted up correctly, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that real quick. I don't got the screw right here, so I'm gonna fix that real quick. Alright, so now I got all the screws in, got it bolted up all good. The only problem left we have is this hanging. So I got some self-tap screws right here. Let me show y'all. Went to Harbor Freight, got some self-tap screws, and gonna probably like screw it in right here. And this should be all mounted, and it should be the same for the other side. I got 3 self-taps in here. It's not moving around, so this is all good. This door is done. Look how good this looks, bro. Got the door strap right here. I actually did put this in backwards, so, but it's all good. Who cares? This is the final product. Looks real good. We got the self-taps in here. It's not moving around. It's not all wiggly and stuff. So, yeah, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Follow the Instagram. It's linked down in the bio. I appreciate y'all and see y'all in the next video.